Hello. Here it is our remote controller. We can on off with number 8. Then you choose with number 2 which letter you want to illuminate and select the color. So here you see 1 red, 2 green, 3 blue, 4 red, 5 green, 6 blue. This means this 1, 2, 3. These belong to the first letter. 4, 5, 6 belong to the second letter, and 7, 8, 9 belong to the third letter, etc. It goes like that, and then you make the connection of RGB cables here, which comes from the letters. So for example, the letter S should be connected to 1, 2, 3, then the letter U should be connected to 4, 5, 6, and so it goes. And then you make the connection here. You see the plus pose of the LEDs, and the transformer comes here, and the minus of the trafo comes here to the GND, which means ground here. And so actually the connection logic is like that. This is the antenna, so that for the remote controller. And now I begin to explain how to arrange a color of the letter, because you can select here from 0 to 255. Here you can select the color codes for each RGB value with the remote controller. So first select which letter you want to arrange the color. This first letter is selected, the second letter is selected, third letter, fourth letter, fifth letter, sixth letter, and seventh letter. Now I will show you on the seventh letter, because I connected the LED to the 7. And then for red number 3, for green number 5, and for blue number 7 is coded. And to increase the value you press on 4, and to decrease the value you put on number 6. And so if you want to select red value of a certain letter, first you click on number 3, and then you decrease or increase the value from 0 to 255, and then when you are okay with the color of LED of the letter actually, then you press again to the 3, so that you exit from the programming of color red. And then if you want to arrange also green and blue, you repeat same process. So for green you put 5, then you decrease or increase with 4 or 6, and then again you press on 5, so that you exit the programming of green LED. And same is also valid for blue color. And then if you arrange all of them. Then I will show you how to save this program, these colors. First, I want to show you how to arrange color of a letter. So I put 3, then I decrease red value. So you can continue by pressing on the button. You don't need to make like that. And then here it is not very obvious, but it is a bit greenish now. So then for example, I want to make it just blue, then I exit red, then or maybe a bit violet, then I press on green, and then I decrease the value. So now you can see it's violet. On the video it looks like more white, but I'm not sure if I cannot show it to you on the video. But then I press on 5 again, so I quit green programming, and then I put 7 to make maximum value of blue. Now blue is maximum. Then I quit blue. Then I want to put a bit red to have violet purple color, and I increase the value. I just want to maybe see purple. And for example, if I want only blue, then I make red 0, so you see the color difference more obvious on the paper. And then I quit red. Okay, and then I want to put on 2 again. So now all of them, all the colors of each letter is saved. So if you want to change the color of the third letter, for example, then you put again on 2, but you press on it 3 times. Now third letter is selected. Also you can see on the card how much how intense the color is. So for example, if I put on red and then increase the value, you see now red is maximum. Then I quit red, then I press on 5, and then I make green 0, and then I quit green, then I press on 7, and I also make blue 0, and then I quit. So you see now, if I connect the LED to here, then you will see that this LED will only have the color red. Just a minute, I will also prove it to you. Here you see that the color is red. So if we summarize, you select first with 2 which letter you want to arrange, and then if you select the letter, then you enter to the color with 3, 5 or 7, green, red, green, blue. Then you increase or decrease with 4 or and 6, like that. And then you enter to the same color again to exit programming of this color, and then you put the other color if you want to arrange. So this is maximum. Now we make it so you see now it's 0, and then you exit green and then blue. Now blue is maximum. Yes, and then you press again 7 and exit blue. And if you press after the 7th letter, if you put on 2 again, like you choose the 8th letter, then the program is saved and then you can use it. So if you want to change the colors, then you should process the same, you should follow the same process to arrange the color. And I sent you 2 remote controls in case one of it is broken or lost. Thank you very much.